what they call me. I promise that you'll never be lonely.
Welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. Today, as you saw in the title, I'm going to show you today 5 important steps to take to shave down the hair. How to basically shave down the tips and tricks. 5 most important tips and tricks to prevent razor bumps and ingrown hair down there. So if you are interested, please stay tuned for this video. And before I start with this video, I know a lot of you viewers always ask me where I purchase my hair extensions from or where my hair is from. This hair is Vietnamese curly hair from the Raw Virgin Hair Boutique. I have done a review about this hair on my YouTube channel. I will leave a link of where I purchased this from in my YouTube description box down below, and also leave the coupon code for 20% off if you purchase using my coupon code. And let's get right back into this video. So today, as title is shaving down the tips and tricks, 5 most important tips and tricks to prevent razor bumps down there. I wrote down a few notes because I just didn't want to forget and I wanted to go step by step. The first step is shaving down there. It depends on what you use to shave. I sometimes use disposable shaving sticks. I will show you a picture of the disposable shaving sticks right in the next 2 seconds. So viewers, you all saw the disposable shaving stick, and this is what I basically use. And one thing I'll tell you viewers is that shaving stick or shaving cream, whichever you prefer. Some people prefer shaving sticks, others prefer shaving cream. Whichever you prefer, it's cool, but I will be going through the step-by-step process of how to shave and how to prevent ingrown hair. So if you are the type to use the shaving cream, before you use the shaving cream, please apply or shea butter, African shea butter, to moisturize the place before you apply the shaving cream. And this helps any irritation down there. It's not going to burn you when you apply the African shea butter before applying the shaving cream, or coconut oil, whichever you have at home. Both are very natural organic ingredients, and I recommend it. Some people use other ingredients, but I prefer shea butter. So this video is mainly focused on shaving sticks. So that's what most people use. So 5 most important tips is, first of all, I prefer the disposable shaving sticks. The reason why I prefer the disposable shaving stick, viewers, is that if you were to use any shaving stick that you have to keep on using over and over again, you would definitely be prone to razor bumps, because repetition of the same shaving sticks, there is bacteria from the first usage, and using it again might cause shaving bumps, ingrown hair. You definitely be prone to all these ingrown hair and shaving bumps, which is very, very not attractive, and it causes a lot of irritation and itchiness. So that is my number 1 first step. My second tip will be please cut your hair down there, especially if your hair down there is long. Please cut it before shaving. If you do not cut the hair before shaving, it might cause irritation, it might cause itchiness, and it's pretty simple if you've got long hair to cut it short before shaving, and this might help prevent. So the first step I would introduce right now is, after you've cut it, make sure you jump into the shower and wash down there. Viewers, wash down there. Once you wash down there, it makes the hair down there more soft, so it's easier when you're shaving, especially when you're using the disposable razor shaving sticks. It's very, very easier. Once you cut the hair, you wash down there, then you shave. It's very, very easier to use those 3 steps. And also, viewers, when you are shaving, please make sure you shave. This is like a 2-in-1. Let's say this is the 3rd tip. So the 3rd tip is, make sure you wash and slash. When you wash, make sure you are shaving in the same direction, viewers. Make sure you shave in the same direction. If your hair is growing downwards, shave downwards. If your hair is growing upwards, shave upwards. Do not shave opposite, because if you do shave opposite, it would definitely give you a lot of irritation, and this would definitely, after shaving, you will be prone to ingrown hair and razor bumps. So these are the processes you have to use when shaving down there to prevent any razor bumps or ingrown hair. So make sure you shave at the same direction. Unlike your hands or your leg or wherever, you can shave any direction and there is no irritation, you don't get no ingrown hair, you don't get no razor bumps. But with down there, it's very different. You have to use this method I'm introducing you viewers to shave down there to prevent any sort of ingrown hair or razor bump. So the fourth step, which I already mentioned at the beginning, was apply shea butter or coconut oil, whichever you have. So once you've applied the shea butter or coconut oil, it makes it very easier to shave down there. Basically, you put it after you cut your hair short and you wash down there, apply the coconut oil or shea butter, whichever. These are very natural organic ingredients that is not going to cause any sort of chemical reaction. And make sure once you apply it there, start shaving at the same direction that your hair has been brought. Do not go opposite. So the fourth step is to make sure you got coconut oil or shea butter to moisturize down there. I know a lot of people use hair conditioner, but I will skip that method because we all know hair conditioner to basically soften our hair, which hair conditioner has got a bit of, I would say, chemicals. So the best method, as I've been trying throughout the years, the best method I came across is if you've got shea butter at home or coconut oil, it's the most moisturizing ever. It's better than using hair conditioner down there, trust me. And once you finish, you will notice the smoothness and how healthy the place is looking. And the last and fifth step is exfoliate. So I basically, after shaving down there, I do exfoliation. I use sugar, brown sugar specifically. If you do not have brown sugar, you can opt and use the normal white sugar, but preferably brown sugar, because the sugar granules is quite bigger than the little white ones, which is more on the smoother side. So I prefer brown sugar, honey, and if you've got a bit of lemon, just squeeze lemon juice and use that to exfoliate that area. Do it for about 30 to 60 seconds. Exfoliate, then wash. And viewers, these 5 tips that I've given you, if you do that, you would definitely will stay away from ingrown hair and razor bumps. Hope this video was very helpful. Do not forget to share this video, like this video, and let me know what sort of videos I should be doing for you viewers next. Have a blessed evening, morning, afternoon, whichever country you're from. And also do not forget to do your research on what I've told you before taking any of these steps. Remember to do your research, viewers. I'll see you viewers in my next video. Take care.